The journey to new horizons. Emma had always dreamed of traveling the world. One sunny morning, she decided it was time to make her dream come true. She packed her backpack with essentials: a map, some clothes, a camera, and her favorite book. Her first destination was Paris, the city of lights. When she arrived, she was amazed by the Eiffel Tower. She took a deep breath and climbed to the top. The view was breathtaking. Emma felt like she was on top of the world. She snapped photos of the beautiful city below and promised herself she would never forget this moment. Next, Emma traveled to Rome. The ancient ruins and delicious pasta made her fall in love with the city. She visited the Colosseum and imagined the gladiators fighting for glory. Every corner of Rome was filled with history and stories waiting to be told. After a few days, Emma continued her journey to Athens. The Acropolis stood proudly against the blue sky. She learned about the ancient Greeks and their amazing culture. Emma even tried speaking a few Greek words, and the locals smiled at her efforts. As she traveled from city to city, Emma made new friends. She met travelers from different countries and shared stories around campfires. They laughed, exchanged travel tips, and promised to keep in touch. When Emma returned home, her heart was full of memories and adventures. She realized that travel was not just about seeing new places, but about meeting people and creating connections. With a smile, she started planning her next trip, knowing that the world was full of new horizons waiting to be explored.